Here's how cafes across India are serving thick, indulgent hot chocolate in under 3 minutes. At Blendonomics, we craft pre-portioned artisanal blends made for cafes and franchises. Each 50-gram pouch gives one perfect serving, rich, creamy, and consistent every single time. Start with 200 milliliters of milk, heat gently in a pan, but don't let it boil. Empty one pouch completely into the milk and whisk continuously until the texture thickens beautifully. In just minutes, your thick cafe-style hot chocolate is ready to serve. Designed for cafes and franchises that value consistency, efficiency, and quality. Available in classic, hazelnut, orange, strawberry, and Irish flavors. Made-to-order blends include mint, cinnamon, Tiramisu, and Belgian. Blendonomics, artisanal blends crafted for modern cafes. Explore wholesale options and custom pack sizes at blendonomics.com. Blendonomics, where craft meets consistency.